In the late Cretaceous, nearly 100 million years ago, Patagonia was a land of extremes. Vast floodplains stretched beneath conifer forests. Giant sauropods moved across open ground, and among them walked one of the largest terrestrial predators South America had ever produced, Mapusaurus rosei. Long before Tyrannosaurus ruled North America, this immense hunter dominated Gondwana, a carnivore exceeding 10 meters in length, armed with blade-like teeth, and built not merely for survival, but for supremacy. Yet Mapusaurus is more than another giant carnivore. Its fossils may preserve something far rarer, not just how it lived, but perhaps how it hunted. Discovered in Argentina's Huincul Formation in the 1990s, Mapusaurus rosei belonged to the Carcharodontosaurids, a lineage of massive predatory dinosaurs whose name means shark-toothed lizards. Closely related to Giganotosaurus, Mapusaurus lived approximately 95 million years ago in an ecosystem populated by some of the largest herbivores ever known, including the colossal sauropod Argentinosaurus. For decades, giant theropods were often imagined as solitary apex predators, territorial, isolated, and opportunistic. But Mapusaurus challenged that image. At a single fossil site, paleontologists uncovered the remains of multiple individuals, juveniles, subadults, and fully grown adults, all preserved together. This unusual concentration raised a profound question. Was this merely coincidence, or evidence that these predators may have lived, and perhaps even hunted, in groups? The answer remains uncertain, but the possibility has transformed Mapusaurus from a giant predator into a window onto dinosaur behavior itself. Bone beds can form in many ways: drought, flood, or scavenger accumulation. Multiple animals found together do not automatically prove sociality. Yet the Mapusaurus site stands apart. The age distribution suggests repeated presence across life stages. Young and mature individuals were not isolated anomalies, but part of a broader demographic pattern. Some researchers propose that Mapusaurus may have exhibited at least temporary social structure, perhaps gathering around resources, migrating in loose associations, or coordinating under specific ecological pressures. Such behavior would carry enormous implications. Argentinosaurus, one of its likely contemporaries, may have exceeded 70 tons. For even a giant predator, attacking such prey alone would have been extraordinarily dangerous. But cooperative pressure from multiple hunters could alter that balance. No direct proof survives. No fossil captures the hunt. Only bones, context, probability, and from these fragments, science attempts to reconstruct behavior long vanished from Earth.
If Mapusaurus did hunt cooperatively, even occasionally, it would suggest that advanced predatory strategies evolved independently in multiple dinosaur lineages. Not wolves, not lions, but something uniquely Mesozoic. Perhaps adolescents learned from adults. Perhaps groups formed only around immense prey. Or perhaps these assemblages reflected environmental necessity rather than true social bonds. Whatever the case, Mapusaurus forces paleontology to confront a larger truth. Size alone does not define dominance. Behavior may have mattered just as much.